Oh my god. I am babysitting. I'm all by myself here with Lloyd and Lola. And it is walking by through Mandy's backyard. A bear. Lloyd and Lola don't know what the heck to do. Thank God we are way up here on the deck. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I've never seen a bear in the backyard before. This is crazy. It's okay, guys. It's okay. That's Mr. Bear. Yeah, he just, I guess, lives here. Good thing we're up here, don't you think? Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, he's actually, I guess he's just looking for dinner. He's not going to find it here. Oh my goodness. It's so funny. I don't know where he's going. I guess it looks like he knows very well where he's going. He's obviously been here before. Oh my goodness. Oh, there he goes. Down the road.